just a little bit of patience with these guys. We are going to have to approach really, really slowly.
Yeah.
And then once we get a little bit closer, it's up to the whales. Some whales interact really well, others don't want anything to do with the boat. We're not going to chase whales around. There's also a lot of cow threats for us at the moment. We're just going to see, these guys look pretty active. There's multiple animals in both groups. So hopefully these are all adults and might be a mating or social group or something like that. Those guys are always nice to work with. They're very relaxed, doing their own thing, which is great. All these whales over here are all southern right.
Wow, nice, so beautiful. Oh, Masya Allah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are closing to the whales.
These guys are rolling around quite a bit.
Okay, we are closing now. Closing. See, guys, the whale. There is a two groups. Please don't jump.
Three groups.
Yeah, we got three groups, guys. Three groups. We are lucky. We got three groups. Oh my God. Oh, so close, honey.
There's one whale here, the one at 11 o'clock, closest group to us. This one whale is like upside down, belly up above the surface of the water. The white markings are on the belly.
Oh, yes.
Southern right whale, white markings on the belly, very, very common. You see that quite often. Sometimes small white markings, sometimes massive white markings.
This is a-
all the way actually under the
yeah.
white markings on the back. That is very, very rare.
Oh my God, we are so close. Whoa! They are singing.
There we go, perfect. And then you just be careful that your feet don't slip underneath you, but it feels dry now. It's not as clammy as it was this morning.
The whale.
You can see this one whale here really nicely.
There is another one. This one we are so close.
Few easy ways to identify right whales from other whale species. If you look at this one over here, notice there's no dorsal fin on the back.
Oh,
Biggest thing to see from marine life. It's quite unique to right whales to lack that dorsal fin on the back. Second easy way to identify, notice there's these whitish colored bumps on the head there. Those are called callosities. Now the word callosities comes from the word callus, you know, like that hard piece of skin. That's exactly what that is. Very hard, very rough patches of skin that these animals are born with. Even a little cloth inside most rivers, it will also have these rough patches of skin already on their
It's a
head.
two, 1, 2.
yeah.
Tail that you can see here at the back. Different animal, there's at least two here.
Ya, mereka bilang kan grup tadi.
It's difficult to figure out exactly how many, but at least two. And two over there as well.
Big ya, so big. Oh.
Custody pattern on
Like a floss.
is also unique to each whale. It's basically like the whale's fingerprint. You can use it to identify individuals. Also remember, velocities only occur on the head of the whale. So if you see velocities, you look at the whale's head. There's a third one now, I think. I would say in these three little groups here, there's at least 7 animals.
7 animal.
Yeah, three groups, three groups.
Mum, don't you rather want to have him hold onto a rail? Because just you can stand over there, but you don't just hold on. Otherwise you are going to fall over and pull him into the water. Kids tend to be actually more stable on the boat because their center of gravity is actually lower.
Ini kita lagi lihat.
I think we're going to slightly turn, so if you want, we're going to stand over there
Kita lihat paus.
to be able to see.
Wow, it's a big.
Ya, big. Oh, dia nyemprot. Ah.